Una give them a very big hand. Texas and Real in Ibadan. And the people that they far they see them. Because today, we can hand over the site 417 acre land to Una.
Naso, the Minister of Technical and Higher Education, Professor Alpha Tijan Wuri, officially hand over the project site when about 417 acre land for build the Kono University of Science and Technology to the two company them when are the contractor them for this whole project. This happened Friday, June 4, 2021 at Fandu Village, Benset Chiefdom, Kono District, usai different chief and district stakeholder them. Na Kono District been gathered for witness this history-making event with other education stakeholder them from far and near. As you see, the place been same so full up with people them. Na Kono District, we gather for be part of this good history of book learning business. Na Kono District, we plenty people be know as the land of diamond, but we now get another name we pass this with the University of Kono, where they about for come to life. We be the welcome people to this event. The chiefdom speaker, Nakbense Chiefdom, Chief AM Commander, tell thank you to the president for member Kono District na the education sector. As he say, this na the happiest day for them as Kono people.
Today, na the happiest day of people of Kono District. To see today a former Minister of Education, another Minister again of Higher Education, we can hand over this work for construct this University of Science and Technology.
Dr. John Tambi, now the chairman for the Presidential Infrastructure Initiative, he talk about how far government don't come out for reach this stage for sake of the University of Kono.
This Kono University, it ended before we even kind of government. They then talk about them. When we come in 2018, now we begin to talk about this university. So then we'll go to the Exim Bank. One point of Pekin, Finda Kroma. This is a put on for this year. We help for talk to the people in the Exim Bank. Then give money, not the free money, the Salon government, then this thing will happen. So in 2019, we did a study for this place here for see Usa will put the university. But before we get to Usa, we look at this place, we try to identify Usa will be the best place for us to begin. By God in power, before the end of this year, we will begin for build the university where all men will see. All men will see, not just talking about the talk. And I will see, talk and do.
Among the different authority them, na Kono District we attend this program. Plenty panem been talk with gladness for sake of the Kono University project we for start soon. One of them stakeholder yana the MP for constituency 030. We same we soon the leader for the C4C party na the Salon Parliament, Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina.
You may not know the lady that who are gonna be hard. You may not know it because you're not gonna be hard. But for tell you say the greatest assets where every nation go give in people the education. Besides national security, any other thing we can top most priority than any government, it is just about education. No gold, no diamond. Not the coltan, the titanium, not the iron ore or the bauxite. Forget it. The greatest assets where any president can give in cities there are the human resource. They have to make an effort, especially acknowledge and recognize the effort of retired Brigadier Julius Malabio for passion, for negotiate. Kono University get one. You never understand. For the donor, give them money and they can country. President them, they go for willing. Me, I don't EU Parliament. I know how they fed the stage is all over too. As EU parliamentarians, for not put money. Now EU in hand for Count and Salon. I know the processes. The number one man of the country, the president, has to be willing. We go subpoena in finance minister, in foreign minister, retired Brigadier Julius Malabio. We imputed founding fathers, we include Fasukua, we include Komba Fuamansa Maturi, we include Kabacheneba. They are peace today and in graveyard. Because long dream, when I'm the fed for, it don't come to pass.
Honorable Sir Emerson Lamina been carry on for talk about how he thinks it is Kono University important for book learning business na Kono district.
Honorable Minister of Technical and Higher Education. One for thank you for a passion. Many people don't know the minister in skill and tax for book learning business. Exactly 20 years ago, I'm in a university. Exactly 20 years ago. I go to university as a displaced. I also attend displaced university. We went through hell. I'm telling you, exactly 20 years ago, as a displaced student and a displaced university, we went through hell. For local gets residents, higher institution. They're a big blessing. Not clap for this government. I'm not going to tell you all what to go through. But those days, we will take mathematics class at Foreign College. We take introduction to agriculture. Now PK Olmin, Professor Samamonde, those days. 20 years ago. Can you imagine the distance? Foreign College will take class. PK Olmin, Wellington will take class. National Stadium will take class. Tower Hills, will take class. We finally can end a New England View. True Professor Alpha Tuwiri in lobbying skills for the SLBC give our place to Njala University.
Honorable Rebecca Yei Kamara, na the only woman member of parliament na Kono district and they represent constituency 029. He talk about how he glad about this project and how it will benefit Kono people.
As soon as they see how they talk, I'm so glad. I'm glad because as a woman, now Lord don't come on and we eat. I just want to ask this question. When picking they go school, then they ask can a class or a school for something. Who die they can't ask? Now who die they can't ask? When man don't angry, they don't come on our office. Who die they can't ask? You the final say the role of women in every aspect of life is very, very important, but we know. And this now one thing we for make Kono woman that we glad today. We for glad because this now the beginning to an end for make who pikin and go get belly. Where they left here, then say then they go university other side. Because the mama then back home, no get money for sponsor them, and then papa then say go waiting the happen. You they see then they go live some life we not good for them. So in the process waiting the happen, then they get belly. And when they get belly, the degree where then they come with, either one picky or two picking, they don't go even down the university. But if president talk and do, yes, some people go say, we not tell you now, I don't know SLPP. Anyhow, now one talker, one staff for this university, one staff for Kono in development one. I not care. Make this university build na Kono. When I'm still a strong woman, me now I'm supposed to wear glady, a glady.
Today, a big day. A history making day. Na Kono district and particularly in this country. We all can witness for handover site to consultants for make them construct a University of Science and Technology at Kono district. I can remember when His Excellency the President, retired President Malabio, they visit Kono and in Tankito, and they make a statement and even visit the site. We say in government, we construct a University of Science and Technology for the people of Kono. And so today, if they are with a CC from handover side to consultant, then waiting the president in talk 2 or 3 years back, a count of manifestation. So particularly me as a mayor on behalf of the people of this city and Kono District by extension and the country, I want to tell the president plenty thank you and the government for we a thought and fit say, Kono with all the professors and doctors we Kono produce at various higher institutions of learning and even in diaspora, Kono deserve a university this time.
We will talk about this Kono University project. The Minister of Technical and Higher Education, Professor Alpha Tijan Wuri, talk about why government thinks it important for make Kono districts get a first-class university this term.
Na the bread basket for Sierra Leone. Na the mines from here, the proceeds of the mines. Na in build Bokutin na Freetown. Previous governments, we don't, I will say, cheat the people of Kono. We are now back for make we can't tell una thank you for the years we will not support this country, and we don't come back for say they can't give back to the people of Kono. Waiting them, we don't give it as a people of Sierra Leone. That is why when the statement was made that they can bring the money back in the people they hate, that is exactly the trend we get for happen. Well, really, this is now a clear message. When His Excellency came 2018, he asked me for serve now the Ministry of Health and Sanitation. A shock in January. January 18 they announced, well, Dr. Uri, time don't make me left Belleuma now. When you come back, now the education sector. But this time, he gave me strict message with one instruction. Strict message with one instruction. The message is that this ministry now in the train the people that we will require for work, not the whole country. If na doctor, that the Ministry of Higher Education get for trainer. If na engineer, that the ministry get for trainer. If na pastor, that the ministry get for trainer. So the message is that go out and ensure say we train people of the quality way we need. However, the instruction is that the University of Kono must start this year 2021. The instruction is that the university must start this year 2021.
Handing over ceremony be mixed with entertainment from Kono artists them, way through them talent, show appreciation to government for this move and self traditional dancer them. We self show how the Kono people them glad for the university where them can get gist now. For Gla TV Online, Mina Abdullah Gla the report.